Contactless payment is an exciting new way of transferring money using a card or mobile device. It's safe, fast, and easy to use. My name is Alex and I'm going to be talking about the what, when, where, and how of contactless payments. Historically, contactless payments have been slow to take off in the US, but all that's changing rapidly right before our eyes, and by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to know about contactless payments. Before we get to the what, when, and where of contactless payments, let me start by explaining what contactless payment is. Contactless payment is a way for you to make a payment using a card or mobile device without having to swipe your card or enter a PIN. It's also faster than traditional credit and debit cards, up to 4 times faster and nearly impossible to copy. Credit cards allow contactless payments in 3 ways: via mobile wallets or applications, QR codes, and via embedded contactless technology. Let's start with contactless payment cards. You can complete your transaction by holding your card near the card reader if your card is equipped with contactless technology. It's important to remember that the payment terminal must be capable of near-field communication (NFC), which means that won't work with older card readers. The number of credit cards with contactless capability was only 3.3% in 2016. In recent years, the use of contactless has risen rapidly, especially in 2020. The COVID-19 outbreak has forced us to rethink how we shop, spend money, and pay. During the first quarter of 2020 alone, MasterCard reported a 40% growth in contactless transactions worldwide. A recent survey showed that a majority of us would continue using contactless after this pandemic. There has been an increase of more than 100% in tap-to-pay transactions in everyday segments such as groceries, pharmaceuticals, and entertainment. Since March 2019, contactless payments in the United States have grown 150%. Despite having similar features, payment cards can be categorized in 2 categories based on the consumer experience: the magnetic strip data (MSD) and Europay, MasterCard, Visa, EMV. According to the updated contactless rules from Visa and MasterCard, new merchant terminals can only accept EMV contactless payments moving forward. Using the magnetic stripes attached to the back of payment cards, fraudsters can actually steal and clone information. They can use this information to make new cards, resulting in fraud and identity theft. Contactless payments reduces both the risk for the merchant and the consumer. The reason is that magnetic stripes on payment cards are less secure. The data collected by the merchant terminal during contactless payments is encrypted, meaning it cannot be intercepted. The payment terminal sends unique one-time token for each transaction in order for contactless to work. Your card information is stored in the token, so the token cannot be used to make another purchase if the purchase is compromised. Contactless cards technology has been rolled out by almost all major card issuers in the US, or they have announced plans to do so. Although not all cards are equipped with contactless payment technology, you can still add the card to a mobile wallet and make contactless payments that way. Therefore, contactless payments are available to everyone who has a smartphone. Mobile contactless payment. To complete a transaction, mobile contactless payments use a mobile device instead of a card. Contactless payments use the same technology, but mobile contactless payments are slower to adopt than contactless cards. Recently, there have been several innovative contactless payment companies, and you can use your mobile device to make payments almost everywhere. In general, there are 3 types of categories. Number 1, mobile wallets. Among the best known mobile wallets are Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Their operating method is similar to that of a contactless payment card, with customers tapping their devices onto a payment terminal. Apple Wallet is already installed on most Apple devices. Those devices, such as the iPhone and iWatch, can make purchases in stores by storing credit and debit card information. Purchases can also be made online or via third-party apps. Apple Pay also allows users to send money to friends and family via text message. Through the Google Pay app, Google Pay users can make payments and participate in brick-and-mortar and online retailers using a secure method. The use of an email address or phone number is similar to Apple Pay, and users can send and receive money. Scannable codes. Now, QR codes, also known as quick response codes, are provided by retailers and restaurants to customers so they can scan them using their smartphones. You can then confirm or add payment information over the phone, so there is no need to exchange cash or credit cards. Wearable devices. Now, wearable payment devices are convenient for those who do not want to carry a phone or wallet. A wearable payment device was originally intended to make fitness trackers more versatile, but it is set to become a worldwide industry valued at $82 billion by 2026. Mobile wallets require you to verify each transaction using a PIN, password, fingerprint, or facial recognition before payment is made. Although this accelerating trend toward card use is putting a greater focus on cards, it won't mean the end of cash. In spite of the dominance of card and contactless payments, cash is still king, particularly for marginalized communities, including the elderly and the poor. Many people do not have access to banks and electronic payments, resulting in an additional gap between those who have and those who do not. People without bank accounts will be hurt most by the disappearance of ATMs and retailers who will not accept cash payments. We live in a world of increased security, speed, and touch-free technology, so it should come as no surprise that contactless technologies are being widely adopted in the US and the world. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.